In this video, we are going to solve swapping two numbers in Python. Imagine you have two variables, x and y. We want to swap their values so that x holds the value of y, and y holds the value of x. Declaring two variables x equals 2 and y equals 3. Here I am using print instruction to display x and y values. Now I am declaring another variable temp to store x value, now temp equals 2. Here reassigning the variable x equals y. Now x equals 3. Again reassigning the y with temp, now y equals 2. Now I'm checking the values of x and y with the help of print instruction. Before swapping, the value of x is 2, and the value of y is 3. After swapping, x equals 3, and y equals 2. Please like and subscribe the channel. It helps me a lot.